Okay, today let's take a look at a 5070 Ti unboxing. These are becoming quite rare, unfortunately. They used to be at MSRP and now going up in value. But this is the MSI Shadow 3X, and it has comes with a standoff. It comes with the PCI Express adapter cable. And of course, the star of the show here is the GPU itself. Now, when you're looking at this particular GPU, I chose this one because it's supposed to be more of the budget version in terms of the fans. There's a lot of plastic on this particular card, but it functions very well right out of the box. The thermals and the performance are listed on my channel. But I was choosing this to be a water-cooled card, so the fans and all the plastic didn't bother me. And I've placed an alpha cool water block on this particular GPU as well, and all of that's on the channel. But overall, the build quality is very good. I like MSI products. They have been very stable cards, and usually, and maybe this is my misunderstanding, but I thought the 2-pin PCI Express adapters were for 5070 cards, and the 5070 Ti's got 3-pin. However, this particular card from MSI actually has a 2 cable adapter for its 12-volt high power connector. You see it does have 4 standard ports. It's about a 2.5 slot design. But here's that cable adapter, and you can see I was expecting 3, comes with 2. So, you know, these aren't high draw cards, but they do share the same 5080 die. They're slightly underclocked from the 5080, but in terms of price for performance, this is where your sweet spot's at. And I think that's why these are becoming rare, because these had 16 gig just like the 5080 had 16 gig. And now they're becoming harder to find, and they're likely wanting to push the higher SKU of the 5080, which means you're going to pay more. You can find the 5070 Ti at MSRP or close to it. Snag one now. With that, stay safe. God bless.